Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the 3Coil Puna here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here in this box, because it's a neat packaging for sure. You've got this pelican case kind of thing. You've got all your parts here. Underneath here you have some spare blades, which are 11 size blade, and then you have your parts here of your mini AK-47 looking EDC tool. So nicely done. The case, nicely cut out the foam. It has like a rubber gasket, so I'm assuming it's waterproof, and it has a nice snug fit for sure. And then you have these parts which can be put together. So basically you have it's very straightforward assembly. You've got these magazines here, these cartridges for the ammos, which are actually, in fact, a flat head screwdriver and a Phillips head micro screwdrivers. You can use one at a time, of course, and this guy is just gonna snap on like that, and it's gonna be staying there. And then you have this kind of like hinge which is gonna go into this hole like that. You just put it together, and then you make sure that you see you have a spring tension trigger kind of thing, which you have to pull back in order for the blade to go back like that, and then just be assembled. And then very simple, you just put this guy in and you just screw it in, and you're basically done, and you have your tool assembled very nicely. And I mean, size wise, this guy is pretty small. It's gonna be overall like less than 4 inches, I would say 4 inches long. And just a quick size comparison with a couple of knives. This is Untitled Rad number 2, and this is the Untitled Rad number 1. And just another couple just to show it to you guys. Spyderco Para 3 and Spyderco Paramilitary 2 right up here. And you can see it's a very tiny one. It's very interesting. It's nice and fidgety. It's good looking for sure. It has a bottle opener, like cap opener, right over here in this side. This one, it's actually a tool that it's going to be needed. It's like an Allen wrench key, which is going to be needed to change and swap the blade. So it's going to be, see, going right over here. For these 4 screws, you're gonna need a Torx bit screw, so this is not gonna work. And this is just gonna stay right over here. And then you have like this trigger with a spring-loaded mechanism to release your cutting tool, and it's gonna be pretty straightforward to use. I mean, it's not that hard. And then this can go back, and if you just push it back, and then it's gonna go back like that into this position. So very interesting little gadget right here, and I just thought to share it with you guys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.